Good morning, all of you. Today, let's discuss questions under the heading Try This in page number 126. So, our first question is fill in the boxes. That is 5 by 4 equal to dash by 16. First, let's find it. By 4 equal to something by 16. Okay. So, you know that whenever two rational number become equal means what? They are equivalent rational numbers. That means in order to get this particular thing, you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer. Okay, then only you will get here as something by 16. So in order to get 16 here, you should multiply 4 with what? In order to get 16, you know that 4 into 4 is what? 16. Is it? So you are multiplying this 4 with 4. Okay. So whenever you are multiplying denominator with 4 means what? You need to multiply the numerator with 4. Okay. So when you multiply denominator with 4, you got 16 here. Now when you multiply numerator with 4, what will you get? You will get 20 here. So 20 will be the first answer. Got it? Okay. Now so in the first case you got the answer as what? 20 by 16. And now what is next? It is 25 by dash. Okay, 25 by something. Let's put question mark here. 25 by dash. So let's take the same thing itself, that is 5 by 4 equal to something by 25 by something. Now in order to get 25 here, you know that you need to multiply this numerator 5 with something. With something means what? You know that 5 into 5 is 25. That means you are multiplying this 5 with 5. Okay. And whenever you multiply numerator with 5, you need to multiply denominator also with 5. That means 4 into 5. What is 4 into 5? 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, so you will get the answer as 25 by 20. Got it? 25 by 20. Okay. Now what is next? Next one is 15 minus 15 by dash. Okay, minus 15 by something. So let's compare these two. That is 5 by 4 equal to minus 15 by something. That means, so both these are equivalent fractions. So in order to get minus 15, you need to multiply 5 with something. That is 5 into something equal to minus 15. So what is here? You know that 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. In order to get minus in the answer, one of the integer should be negative. So here let's take this as minus 3. So 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. Okay, so when you multiply this 5 with minus 3, you need to multiply this 4 also with minus 3. So what is 5 into minus 3? That is 15. Now what is 4 into minus 3? That is minus 12. Okay, so what will you get? Minus 15 by minus 12. So here you can write as minus 12. Okay, you got the answer as minus 12. In this way you need to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, now let's see the second question. So this is the overall answer for this question. Okay, now the second question is minus 3 by 7 equal to something by 14. Okay, so our question is minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. So whenever you are multiplying minus 3 by 7 with something, you are getting the answer as dash by 14. So you know that in order to get the 14 as answer, you need to multiply 7 with something. That is 7 into something equal to 14. So what is that something? 7 into 2 is 14. That means you are multiplying 7 into 2 here. So whenever you multiply denominator with 2, you need to multiply the numerator also with 2. So what will be in the answer? You will get minus 3 into 2 is what? Minus 6. So the answer will be minus 6 by 14. So here you will get the answer as minus 6. Here the answer will be minus 6 by 14. Okay, now let's see the next one. So the next one is equal to 9 by dash. 9 by dash. So let's compare these two. That is minus 3 by 7 equal to 9 by dash. That means whenever you multiply this minus 3 with something, then you should get the answer as 9. So you know that 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, but in the answer you are getting a positive integer. That means here also it should be a negative integer. Then only multiplying two negative integers will only result in a positive integer. So you need to multiply minus 3 with what? Minus 3. Then only you will get 9. Okay, the answer should not be 3. If you write 3 means it will be wrong. Okay, there should be minus in your answer. So minus 3 into minus 3. Similarly here also into minus 3. Okay, so what is minus 3 into minus 3? It's already given as 9. Now what is 7 into minus 3? It is minus 21. So the answer will be 9 by minus 21. Minus 21. Okay, now let's see the next. Now next one is minus 6 by dash equal to minus 6 by dash. So let's compare these two. Minus 3 by 7 equal to minus 6 by dash. So when you multiply this minus 3 with something, you will get in the answer as minus 6. Minus 3 into something equal to minus 6. So you know that 3 into 2 is 6. Is it? So you need to write here 2. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So whenever you are multiplying numerator, you need to multiply the denominator also. So in the numerator you will get minus 6 and in the denominator you will get 14. So here you will get the answer as 14. So this is the final answer. So this is the final answer, that is minus 3 by 7 equal to minus 6 by 14 equal to minus 9 by 21 equal to minus 6 by 14. Understand? In this way you can find the equivalent rational numbers. Understand? So that's all. Thank you.